Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and unplugging the laptop. This prevents shorts and accidental boot. Remove the battery if removable and flip the machine so vents are accessible. Use a soft brush to loosen surface dust while holding can upright to avoid moisture. Once done, point canned air in short bursts at an angle to push dust outward. This prevents debris from spinning fans too fast. Make sure to keep screws in a tray and document placement for reassembly. You now open the access panel to reach fans and heatsink. This step exposes trapped dust that reduces cooling efficiency. Use a small tool to gently stop each fan from spinning while you blow short canned air blasts. Spinning can generate current or damage bearings. Brush away loosened particles and use compressed air along heatsink fins to free pack dust. Make sure to inspect vents and fan shroud for hair or fibers and remove them with tweezers if needed. You finish by carefully reassembling the laptop, replacing screws in their original spots, and reinstalling the battery. Boot the machine and observe fan behavior and temperature for several minutes. This verifies airflow is restored. If fans remain noisy or temperatures stay high, make sure vents aren't obstructed, and consider replacing a failing fan or reapplying thermal paste. One key troubleshooting tip: if a fan wobbles or grinds after cleaning, stop and replace.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.